Hi guys, since this is video number 2, welcome back. So we're getting out and about again today, so we're going camping. We're heading towards Calendar somewhere. I'm not quite sure where we're going yet, but 2 or 3 different spots picked out on Google Earth. So I'm going to go and scout them out and see what one's suitable, because it's really don't know yet. So I'll bring these back once we kind of get over towards Calendar and we'll see where we end up. Thanks. Hi guys, right, so checked out 2 or 3 different spots just due to weather. One, top of a hill, quite windy for that, not really cut out for that kind of caper. Spot number 2 was just a bit bucky underfoot, quite wet. So we've settled at Loch Venachar by the looks of it. So south shore at Loch Venachar, it is inside the permit area, so we have got our permit, which is always good. And basically I'm just about to go and get the gear out of the car and start taking a walk along to where I quite like. So what we'll do, I'll bring these back once we get down there and give you a bit of a look around, see what it's like, and we'll sort out for it. But we'll see you all in a bit. Hi guys, right, I think we've found our camp spot. So what I'll do is I'll flick the camera around, give you a wee look before we start getting set up. Found a nice wee cove with a nice wee bit of sandy beach for the tent to go on tonight, by the looks of it. And got a nice view of the hills as well. So I'll give you a wee look. So looks like that's where we're going to camp tonight. Now there's 2 or 3 existing fire pits already. I don't know if we'll probably even bother having a fire tonight. I'll wait and see. Probably won't bother. I've got stuff with me, but I'll see. Probably something that I'll not bother with anyway. So yeah, and we'll just see what happens. What I'll do, I'll get all the tent that set up and I'll bring these back. Right guys, this is my setup. So it's a jelly up 2-man quick pitch. So basically it's just a pop-up tent. 1500 hydro head on it, I believe. So in there I've got a wee blow up mat. I've got my mountain warehouse sleeping bag. So got nice bright green, yellow eye lines. Got a vent at either end like that, and it's also got a vent at the back which has got a wee bar that can prop it open. Quite nice wee tent. I've actually used it before up at Loch at the start of the year. The only thing that does let it down, it's not got an internal on the door, it's not got an internal fly mesh door, so it's only a single door. But the only thing that I really think lets it down, it's not a bad size for one person, to be honest with you. Like I say, there's all my gears inside, so yeah, nice and happy. So what I'll do, I'm just going to sit and I'm going to enjoy some of these views. for a wee while, and what I'll do is I'll bring you back when I'm about to cook dinner, and we'll see how it goes. Right, enjoy. Right guys, that's dinner on the go. So tonight we have cheeseburgers. Now I'm in two minds what to have. Double cheeseburgers or just single cheeseburgers. So yeah, we'll see how it goes anyway. I do have enough rolls for singles. So apart from that, sitting cooking, I've got this kind of view. It's one of these scenarios where you just need to admire it, because it is absolutely cracking, and it's a very clear day as well, so you can see right over to the mountains. Pretty sure one of these two I think might be Ben Lady. Somebody might be able to tell me different though. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm just going to have dinner, and I'll probably bring this back later on. We'll see how the night's going. Right. Right guys. Right, well that's the sun starting to go down now. It's been a pretty rainy day. The midges have been coming and going, but it does seem like the skin so still works, which is really good. It's kept them off my arms and my legs, which is absolutely fantastic. So because it's going to be getting dark, I'm going to start losing vision on the camera. So what I'll do is have a good night. I'll bring you back in the morning, and we'll see how we get on. Right, see you all in the morning. Good morning guys, this is us waking up at Loch Venachar. So this is all packed up, ready to go. Just got everything packed up, everything all tidied up. So what we'll do is I'll turn the camera around just now quickly and show you where we were camping last night. So as you can see guys, everything's all packed up. We've left no trace. You would never actually know that we were here. So that's where the tent was. Roughly where that wee brown patch is. We've got our gear, a rubbish bag. She'll be going away with us. And that's what we woke up to now that the sun's coming up. A couple of people out swimming at 6:30 in the morning. Right guys, that's us back home after a very nice successful trip to Loch Venachar. So now all the fun work, get everything all washed, cleaned and put away. So again, if you like the video, give us a like, and if you don't mind subscribing, that'd be even better. Right, thanks, until next time, see you later.